Okay, Lily, tell me what you're going to do.
I'm going to squeeze this ball, and hopefully Clara will go.
It's one of her favorite. It's her favorite toy. All right, let's see.
Do you like it?
Oh,
That's your favorite? Oh, yeah.
It's a happy day. Are you going to smile some more? Are you going to give us more smiles? You think it's great? You think it's great? We love you, Clara.
Say bye-bye.
Oh, looking for it? Okay. Ready for a kiss from sister? Ooh, what was that? You like that, don't you? Is it her favorite toy?
Yeah.
Lily? You're cute. You like it, don't you?